Now we're on to chapter 5, which is about sorting spreadsheet data. And what I have open is the file p142ff, worked example Formula 1 Championship, single column version. So just before we start, I'll do a little bit of preamble and a bit of explanation. So in chapter 5, we will learn how to sort spreadsheet data in ascending and descending order, use a custom sort for weekdays and month names, create your own custom sort and modify an existing cell style. The 5 methods of sorting spreadsheet data. Data such as customer transactions is often entered in a spreadsheet in the order in which it naturally occurs. For example, sales data is usually entered as each transaction is completed. You'd often want to view that data in a different order, such as in ascending order of customer name or descending order of amount owed. There are 5 methods of sorting data in a spreadsheet, and these are outlined below. So I'll just go through the headlines and you can read it yourself. You can sort numerically, alphabetically, you can date sort, you can filter sort, or you can custom sort. And we will deal with all of those in more detail as the chapter goes ahead. So the first example there is on page 142 and relates to the file that I have open. And it's a single column sort, worked example. Create a new spreadsheet workbook and enter the data shown. So as you can see, it's already done for you here. The data in table 5.1 isn't in any particular order. We will sort this data in descending order of points. This means that the driver with the most points will be at the top of the list and the driver with the least points will be at the bottom of the list. So point 1 says position the cell pointer in any cell containing a number in column C, any cell in the range C4 to C15. So I would tend to always just click the cell just under the heading by which you wish to sort. In the home section of the ribbon, click the sort and filter button. Sort and filter button. If you drop that down, you get some choices, and when it's relating to number, you can sort smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So we're going to go largest to smallest. So question 3 says, select sort largest to smallest from the drop-down list, and the data is now in descending order of points as displayed in table 5.2. An alternative way, and in my opinion a better way of doing that, is to go a longer way and go data, sort by, choose points, and then largest to smallest. My data has headers means that it's recognizing that the first row there is not part of the data, it's the actual headings. And we say OK. It says, as there are 2 drivers with 12 points in table 5.2, the order of these drivers may be reversed in your sorted version. So if we look here, you've Nico Rosberg and Fernando Alonso. Well, they're both on 12 points, so it doesn't really matter which one is above and which one is below. The same applies to the 2 drivers with 1 point. So you may find that you haven't got Roberto Kubica and Nelsinho Piquet in the same order as I have, but the 2 drivers with 1 point are down at the bottom. To see the data in ascending order of points, simply click the sort and filter button and then select smallest to largest from the list. Again, you need to be clicked into the correct column. And we go back to the home tab, sort and filter, smallest to largest. Again, you could do that the longer way by going data, sort, and choosing smallest to largest from the menu. This is really important. Don't highlight data in the column you are sorting. So never do this. Do not do this. This messes things up. The danger is that only the data in the highlighted column will be sorted, while data in other columns remains unsorted. This would actually mix up your data. If you highlight data in the column that you are sorting, when you click sort, Excel will display the sort warning shown. If this happens, select the expand the selection option to ensure the data in all columns is included in the sort. So when you choose expand the selection and click sort, you can see that it highlights the entire table of information. And in this case, we're sorting by points, and we'll go back to largest to smallest. So that's a single column sort. So again, choose one cell rather than a column.